welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Angelica Fitzgerald, and today I'm going to be doing a really simple video. It's actually a review on the Mio system, which is a microdermablation system for the skin. It's by Spa Science, and it's a really nifty little machine. It's a great at-home microdermablation treatment. If you don't know, you can go get them done at a spa, at a place that does them, or you can do them at home with this nifty little guy. So this is the Mio Microdermablation treatment machine, and as you can tell, I have the exfoliating tip on, which is what makes this the microdermablation machine. So this tip is filled with like laser cut diamonds, and those really exfoliate your skin. They lift it, they clean the pores. It's a really great treatment to do about once a week on your face. So I had actually gotten a few questions about this little machine on my Instagram not too long ago, so I figured I would just show you guys how it works. It's so unbelievably simple. So yeah, there's a two-step process to this. There is the diamond tip, and then there's the tip I'm going to put on as soon as I finish the diamond tip, which is just the little plastic tip. It's basically the same thing, just without the laser cut, like scrubby, more rough part of the machine. So I'm just going to do both of them, do the full treatment. It takes about 5 minutes, and it's really good for your face. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so before you start with your microdermablation machine, you want to make sure you open your pores, wet your face, clean the skin off. I already did that, but I did bring a damp towel just because you can do this step as many times as you'd like. But if you've ever had a facial, before they start the treatment, they steam your face to kind of loosen up the skin, open up the pores so they can clean it as best as possible. So just take a wet, damp cloth, put it all over your face. Honestly, I think the warmer the water, the better, because the heat is going to be what opens, especially this area. This is where most people have the biggest pores. That's where you really want to open those pores. So this machine is super duper simple. It's got its little on button right here. So I'm just going to turn it on, and it's already started vibrating. It's got 5 speed settings, so just by clicking the speed, you probably hear it getting. And so it goes all the way up to 5, and then you click it and it just goes back down. So when I'm starting my face, I like to kind of keep it at a 3, and then as my skin gets used to it, it's like, oh, we're doing this treatment. Then I turn it up to a 5. And you just want to make sure you do continuous movements along your skin. One thing I've noticed that the Mio helps me with actually is my oiliness, keeping my oils away. Okay, so now we're gonna do the nose area, which is my favorite because I don't know about you, but my nose is probably the dirtiest part on my face. Okay, so I'm done with, I'll go ahead and turn this off. I'm done with the laser cut diamond lid. This guy really exfoliates well. You'll usually see like some dead skin kind of lift up, some flaky patches lift, which is good. It's just getting rid of those dead skin cells. So really quickly, maintenance on this is so easy. All I do is put it in some soap water to clean it, and then I put it in alcohol afterwards to disinfect it, and then it's ready to go. So the cleanup is so simple. I also do the same thing with this little lid. This is what it looks like without the tips. This little part, obviously is where the suction comes from, so it might suck in some dirt every now and then, so I definitely make sure to clean that with alcohol after I've used it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this little tip on now. I'm just gonna show you guys how to put it on. So easy. You just stick it in and twist. Boop, and there it is. So this is a bigger hole. This machine actually comes with 4 different plastic lids like this for after you do the microdermablation exfoliating. just meant for different areas of your face, like a smaller hole, a much more narrow hole for like the creases of your, like in your nose, because this tip is actually kind of hard to get like the top of your nose with and all that, just because it's bigger so it won't suction to all of your skin, and that's the only way it can actually do the sucking, is if it's like completely flat. But this one works the best for me in terms of it being the quickest, because since it is the biggest hole, it covers the most space. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in and do the exact same thing I just did with my other diamond laser cut tip with this plastic tip. So turn it on, and filming this video really early. It's about 5 a.m. right now, so I'm hoping there won't be too much background noise. You know, our friendly motorcycle man that likes to drive by kind of frequently. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the nose area. And again, like I said, the nose area is a little easier to do with a smaller tip, which this machine comes with. So you definitely want to always continue to move with this. Don't just like let it be static and sit on one part of your face for too long. That is not the best for your skin. But around my nose area, I go pretty slow because I really want to get the dirt out of these pores. Alrighty, so my face is kind of red if you can't tell, but that's because all of my pores are open, the dirt and the life was just sucked out of my face, which in this case is a good thing. But yeah, I just wanted to share this little dime. It's by Spa Science again. If you are interested, I have attached Spa Science's website below. I think an at-home machine is a great thing to have because then you can consistently do it every single week. You don't have to rely on a super expensive facial every single week, which I definitely think facials are amazing. Plus, who doesn't love getting facials done? But sometimes if you're trying to keep costs down, having little tools like this at home are a great thing to have for your skin. So that is all for today. Oh, just wanted to note that you clean this the exact same way as you clean this lid. So just put it in some soap water and then some alcohol to disinfect it right after, and then you're good to go. This also comes with like a little portable charger, so that's how you charge it. But yeah, I think this machine's great for anybody to have something at their fingertips whenever they want, weekly for their skin. It really is good for your skin, and it's super duper simple to use. So I am attaching Spa Science's website below if you do want the exact Mio machine that I have. I know they have a lot of other cool, you know, facial products and things you can use to incorporate into your facial weekly regime on their website. It's got a lot of really cool stuff, and I've been using my Mio machine for probably almost 3 months now, and I love it. I use it once a week. It's great. So definitely check them out. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald, and I will see you guys in my next video.